Australia. Corin from Universalfuze here, and I want to show you a pretty cool little kit we have for the VE and VF Commodore. We do a really cool compact Hertz amplifier package with the Hertz 12-inch ES 300.5 subwoofer or the Cento subwoofer. Now, what makes this kit so cool is not only does the sub fit in the box very neat and tidy up in the boot there, we supply some very trick little straps to stop the box from sliding around, but the amplifier mounts above the battery up in the little space in the boot and fits completely behind the normal boot panels. So the install is super neat. We pre-terminate the amplifier with the right cable connections so that you can terminate it straight to the battery. The cable run is minimal. You've just got a few cables to run through to the front. But the Universalfuze exclusive plug and play kit includes everything you need to DIY that easily yourself. So you've got no solder connections to make. Everything's clipped together, crimped together. And soon we'll have a full install video showing the entire method. But we've got a few videos already showing where to pick up the accessories point and how to pull apart the head unit for some of the other installs that we do, like the Pioneer plug and play amplifier. So check out the rest of the channel. There's a couple of cool install videos showing how to take this whole car apart, and check out this really good little amplifier subwoofer package which we have on special from now until forever. We're running a great deal on it for all time, as long as these subs and amps are available. Check it out now.